This is a quick tutorial for those of you looking to swap the ear tips on your AirPod Pro because, well, it can feel like you're going to break them when doing so, but it's actually very, very simple. You just grab the silicone cover right here and give it a firm pull, and the whole thing just comes off. Now you can grab your spare ear tips from the box, or perhaps you might want to try using these Comply phone ear tips, which I've just reviewed, and they fit so much better than the Apple standard tips. Get them the right way around, which you can see by lining up the kind of outline there, and you'll hear a small click which tells you that they're in properly. I'll do that again here. Pull it off, pop it on, and that small click tells you that those are in properly. Now when you are pulling them, try not to pull this piece of the outer silicone because it can tear very, very easily, but do try and get a solid grip around the base by like pinching the headphone, and then just pull. You can be a lot tougher than you think. These silicone tips are actually fairly strong as long as you aren't pulling them by the end here. Do leave a like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and go and check out this video about those foam ear tips which stop my AirPods from falling out of my own ears. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.